I'm introducing this email tool for you. It has 4 functions, and you can get each individual function separately. So it has scripper, verifier, preheater, sender. Each tab has a different layout. Let's start with scripper first. Add a task. You can click thousands of email addresses from any web pages. First method is search from Google. Fill the keywords based on this description. It can increase target accuracy. The second is a keyword search on Yahoo and Bing. The third is to enter any website you want. Here I will use the second method. Add a Yahoo domain. Select as required. Then click Run to start scraping. "18 emails are enough for me now." Click Stop. Then go to Check Emails. I only want to export email, so I will tick this box. So this button will take me to Verify tab. Verifier is easy to use. This is to make sure you get the best results. You can eliminate all the non-existent emails fast and easy. Just run this task. Unfortunately, I don't get a good quality one. But it's okay, click Save Emails that we can export them. Select Send Attempt Mail and select the file Export. Finished. Then Preheater can preheat your sending accounts and IP to improve your inbox rate. Click Add Group and enter a name. Add Task and input your email account. So I randomly input some. Test Connect. Add proxy here. So there's nothing else you need to do. Just click Run Task button. The sender can send mass emails easily. Add your account here. Fill in the information. Add templates here for send or reply task. You can either use template for your business mail or edit by yourself. Lastly, add send and reply task.